In 1984, when HIV was discovered, U.S. Health Secretary Margaret Hegler forecast that a vaccine should not be too difficult to develop. She said, "We hope to have such a vaccine ready for testing in approximately 2 years. Yet another terrible disease is about to yield to patience, persistence, and outright genius." But in the last quarter century, HIV has turned out to have several unique properties that make the development of a vaccine harder than developing one against other viral infections. Multiple methods have been tested, but they have had little to no success. In 2003, 2 different versions of a vaccine called AIDS-Vax were found not to prevent infection. The STEP trial, which closed in 2007, looked promising in animal studies, but proved not only to have no effect in humans, but actually to increase the likelihood of infection in a subset of participants. But the antibody 4-NCO looks promising, as it has many essential properties for an effective and efficient vaccine. 4-NCO contains 3 chains and a ligand region, making it an antibody of unusual shape. This shape allows the ligand to bind to the HIV endoglycoproteins. Opposite of this binding site lies the signaling region that allows macrophages and cytotoxic C cells to identify, bind to, and obliterate the HIV virus cells. Even though 4-NCO could be the antibody that turns this pandemic around, it is important that in the meantime people take actions for prevention and treatment. The first step is being tested. Even if you think you have no reason to be concerned, being tested is a surefire way to know that you and your loved ones are not at immediate risk. Getting tested, while it may seem like an inconvenience, really can be quite simple. Because of the disease's prevalence, many sites offer the HIV test for free. To find one near you, type your zip code into the following website search function or call the following number to ask about the closest clinic.